This video provides a tutorial on how to use the touch to focus and tracking frame features. Before watching this tutorial, please ensure your monitoring firmware is updated to the latest version. First, connect the monitor to your camera. For specific connection instructions based on your camera model, please refer to the official website or contact customer support. Once the camera is successfully connected, tap on Focus. On the right side, from top to bottom, you will find the following options: Auto Manual Focus Mode Switch, Focus Frame Type Switch, Touch to Focus, Touch Tracking Mode Switch. The Touch to Focus feature is only available when the camera is set to autofocus mode. When Touch to Focus is in off mode, the feature is disabled. Switch to Touch to Focus mode and tap anywhere on the screen to activate Touch to Focus. Switch to Touch Tracking mode and tap anywhere on the screen to activate touch tracking. Tap Cancel Tracking to disable the tracking mode. Tap Focus Frame Switch to toggle between different types of focus frames. That concludes the tutorial on using touch to focus and tracking frames.